si Aimer, nag-aabang ng kanin. Aimer, come here. Aimer, look, there's a letter. Look, there's a letter. What's that? Love Makiling Spa. Yay! Oh no, no, not there. Yeah, this one. Here you go. Here you go. This area for kids. Wow. Yeah. Yeah, swimming. Here, look. Oh, you're floating. Here, you smile. One hand, yeah, it's okay. Just hold mine.
I need this way. I need this way. I need this way.
Not that way.
Let's go this way.
Yeah. So warm. The water is warm. Look, the water is warm. Pineapple, pineapple. That. And you float like this. Yeah, mommy will hold you. There. What are you doing?
Hello, Mom. What are we doing?
Hello, Emma. What are you doing? What are you doing? I am swimming.
I don't like this one.
This one? Emma's in the water. Emma's in the water. Emma's in the water. Let's go to the swimming lesson with teachers and friends. Tapang mo ah. Swim back. Swimming back. Swim back. Kick. There. Hop, hop. Running, 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 running. Now let's stop. Now let's stop. Swimming, 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 swimming. Jump, jump, jump. Jump, jump, jump. Swimming, swimming, swimming. Swimming, swimming, swimming. Now let's back. Now go. Come on. Faster, faster. Swimming, 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 swim, 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 swim. Water.
The big one.
This again?
Good job. Good job. Again.
Oh, at least you're trying. Kinakabahan siya pero try. Again now. Ayan. I'm just here. I'm not going anywhere, boy.
Hindi na pala niya abot. Sa can you do your swimming lesson? Jumping. Jumping.
Malalim mo. Gasan ko ba? Chan. Not yet.
Alright.
O simple, o marunong naman eh. Nakakarating siya sa gusto niyang paroonan.
Oh no, bye-bye, mommy.
Not there!
Yeah, baby.
Hindi, babalik na. Saka susubukan niya rin yung kabila kung parehong gumagalaw. Jump! 3, 2, 1, jump! Good job!
You go.
Huh?
How far can you go here?
I don't know. I'm not sure. Ang laking log nito sa malalim. Marunong na eh. Malibati, magaling naman siya yun, oh. Siya, may award din daw siya. May certificate siya. Kaya nga naayos na nila.
Ano nakaitsura naman?
Mamaya, tignan natin. Ready? What's it, ma? Set. Wait lang. Gusto mo nag-go there? Kasi, marunong ka mag-swimming. Yeah, use your swimming technique. Go. Daddy, may isa pa. Wala na, nasira na yung technique. Patunayan mo yung award mo sa school.
Sige pa ako.
Oh. Inugo. Ano siya?
Up and down.
5 feet oh.
Come here, Aymar. Come here. Sing lesson.
Miss Wonder. Wait.
Come here.
Use your hand. There. Good job. That's not how you go to daddy. Oh.
Oh no, daddy. Oh no, daddy.
Lalapitan niya yung mga lola. Oh.
Siya, come here.
Big rain daw. Sipin mo na lang, tig-1 million yan.
Bite ko.
Kapal mo. Nakakaya naman sa akin.
Isang mil.
Hindi na makasiro. Tandaan din yun.
Bayad mo.
Bayad daw. No, ayaw niya na. Sabi niya, go back to mommy, do you want? Ayaw na. Hindi na ako naalala eh.
Mas mami.
Hindi kasi nawala si Keisha.
Ay, yung galing sa tubig.
Basahin mo ka.
Kisha?
Hindi si Emma. Si Keisha madaya, nakagagals eh. Datuan daw. Ano gusto niya yung big rim eh.
Yung bola ba yung na-target?
No. What's that? Daddy on Lois. Nakalangoy oh. Ayun, ano po? Ba, good job. Nakalangoy siya. Mahimil ka pa. Nasag. Ba. Kasi si Teacher Bian. Yeah. No, I want here.
What?
I want to stay here. Yeah.
Oh, please.
No. No, let's stay here muna.
Mama, there's a new spot.
Ready, set, go daw. Dandahan ka lang. Wala na, sanay na kami. Ang sarap sa sa muscles. Trust me.
Delicious in the mato.
Lalabas lahat ng yung mga sakit mo sa paa. Then move it here.
Parang brown.
Oo. Hindi na siya kasing puti. Sabi ko kay Keisha, di ba dito mo nawala yung hikaw mo?
Chlorine lang yung tapos sabi.
Hello, Emma.
Over na.
I want to. So this time,
Cottage na float. Tapos meron na rin siyang kawayan na tuloy.
Mommy! Help!
Ikaw, may parang ilid na ibuhaya.
may mga taniman.
Isha, put your finger.
Di ba may taniman doon ng gulay?
Let's go to the
Like
one.
this.
Do the
Oh, yan.
number 3 food. I have mommy!
Hug daddy.
Babalat na yung
Hindi siya nainitan dito.
Mommy! Hi!
There's a bridge there over a water. Ah, check out the bridge. Paano? Ano ito yun? Ayan, makamasol na.
Oh, it's too hot. Let's go.
Go to the grass.
Tinry ko lang naman.
Diyan nahilo si Tita.
Let's go. Walk.
I put some on this list.
Lilipat yan.
Yung club dun.
Oo nga, no. Gawa na siya. Ito na po ang update ng 88 from 2021.
There used to be like
The last time we were here was 2021.
yeah, and then the pool it was.
Oh, it's raining.
We're not there. We're here.
I remember the pool.
Puti ka lamig.
It was still in construction.
Dati yun eh, ginawa.
Oh my god, do you see those people? The one wearing a white jacket. That's not the one in the very end. That's the one you stayed in, right?
Dati baka punta sa tubig yan, ha?
I like it.
Oh my god, it's too cold, Keisha. I cannot handle this.
Really? So hot.
Cold.
Hot.
Cold.
Hot.
Cold.
Hot.
Cold.
Hot. Hot. I can't go.
Are you going to cry? Okay lang yan. It's just a mud. So you have to walk slowly. But surely. Check where you're stepping first. Si daddy nga walang sleeper eh. There's the cave. Hindi na nila tinuloy. Sinara na nila. There. They just close it. I go first daw kasi nakabidyak ka. Be careful. Basta tumatakbo ba? Ang dami niyang mud. Uy, daddy! Putik ka. Doon. Daddy! Nagkakampi ka talaga sa kalokohan eh. Uy, not there. Sabi ko nga kay Keisha, dapat bumakbang. Kasi nalulubog siya sa putik. Sabi na. Kangkong yun ah. Pahing kangkong. Pahingi pong kangkong. Pahingi pong kangkong. Ito po yung tulay sa 88. All done, bridge. Sabi ko nga, ikaw nga walang tsinelas. Si Keisha kasi nagreklamo sa putik. Sabi ko, kayong dalawa nga walang tsinelas eh. Wait for me. Ulan.
1 second lang yun.
Ow! Not there, so hot, super hot.
Yung ano na yan, Purus food.
Ang ganda ng beneficial. Wow, smile ate.
Mahulog sa hot water.
Hoy! Ito naman, gusto dive in yung hot water. No, that's too hot. That's too hot. Diyan kayo dyan.
Look, kapot.
Oh, mommy, I think I know why they make it hot so people don't get the point.
That's true. That's right.
I have a question.
Hop, hop, hop.
Bye-bye, froggy daddy.
Yeah, the frog in the water.
Aymar na. Takot din ako.
Buti ba natin yung napakan? Buti ba naman tayo dumando?
Do you know why the water's steaming hot? Because it's a wishing well.
Update. It's a video, don't worry. I'll just take a screenshot. So do whatever you like.
It's a singing contest.
Park no. Bare lang to na land. Walang Teka, swimming pool. Ayun, may tubig na siya. Doon ka sa stairs mag-ano ka.
Tsaka meron na siyang sign na pwede i-beach slide.
Ang lamig. Tapang yun, lamig ah.
So what's that?
No,
Dolphin?
a frog.
Oh my God,
No, it's cold. I like the hot one.
are you ready?
No,
Kala ko may nakanta talaga yung
kala ko rin. Ang galing naman.
Korean.
It's empty. Empty pa yon. Oh, gagawin pa lang yon.
Hindi pa rin tapos.
Oo.
For 3 years.
Siyempre baka naglilikom uli ng budget.
Linda,
Kasi ng pandemic, ano. Affordable. Oo nga. Yeah, we can eat here. So we don't have to go out. Ang baho mo daw. Ang baho. What? They said it to you. You're so stinky. They said I'm so stinky. Huh? Buddha. Ayan na yung mga accommodation. Balik na ulit sa pool. Lobot na.
Wala mo yung sarap yun mo. Kasama yung mga sets ng dati.
Yeah.
Doon sa pool.
Okay, make it slow, make it slow. 4. Let's try now. Let's go. 2 hours.
Walk back. Hindi, oh. Hindi kayo.
Yung bago pa tayo bumiyak.
Hindi ah.
Oo, yun.
Hindi.
Yung naindang pa yun.
Hindi.
Oo.
Hindi.
Naindang pa yun. Sabi ko pa nga,
Hindi.
hindi na kami nakikita.
Hindi. Hindi. Hindi bumate. Hindi.
Oo.
Hindi.
Ano ulit mo? Ano, sarili mo kinukumbinsa mo.
Hindi.
Kasi ako sure ako.
Hindi. Huwag kang itim mo dyan. Kaya.
Try.
Di ka ulay mo daw siya. Huwag ka doon naman yun ng grupo.
Ayan, ito sila.
Ayaw
Let's go, big slide.
Baliw niya.
Hey.
Stamp your feet.
It's angry.
It's angry.
And me, mommy.
Angry.
And again.
Angry. Good morning, kain tayo. Itlog. Itlog.
Ano yan? To the mushroom. Go to the mushroom.
Go to the mushroom, mommy.
You go there.
I want me mushroom.
Not yours. Eh, yung kalokohan mo. Not yours. Not yours. Oh. Hanggang dito ba naman sa swimming pool? Pasaway ka? Ito naman.
Mommy, this is mommy mushroom.
Who's that? That's Emma. Good job. I'm just here. What? Jump. Jump.
Mommy, can you make my goggles a little bit brighter?
Lighter?
Hold my head.
Then hold this. Ano yung hair mo? Saan papunta yan? Which side? Botot lang.
I'm holding Ayla.
Let's go to the
Kaya na?
mushroom.
do it. Can you do it?
No, you do it. Go. Nakikipag-racing ba ako sa'yo? Di natalo ako. Punta ka na pala.
Can you look underwater with that?
Ang daya, nakalubog lahat. Pag-racing ka naman sa mag-swimming sa akin, talo.
Buka mo lang.
Ano yan? What race?
But you don't have to do the big
Ay, you can start there. Bakit ako sa video? Really? Ulan. Ha? No. Kasi umuulan.
Diba sana?
Sa bridge. Yung bridge sa nilakaran. No, it's closed. Akala ko rin. Oh no, it's raining, Emma. Oh no, it's raining. It's raining. Look here. It's mine. Look. In the video. Oh no, it's raining. Look.
The Gary gives the deep one.
No. Hindi sa malalim. Ito kasi lang ng puno. Basta kulay. Oh no, it's raining. Umuulan. Umuulan.
Sa kabila. Mababa.
Hindi naman yung labas. Normal.
Yung entry nga nun.
Oo.
Yun yung nakakapako mo lang.
Sa loob yan. Dapat talaga sa ilan ka lang.
Hindi na tayo na audio.
Oh, it's raining. Say hi, my name is Elena. For it?
It's wet.
Yeah, it's wet. Oh no. Again, hi.
Nakakiliti yung ulan. Nakakiliti yung ulan. Ito ba yung ulan?
Oh no.
Oh.
Bye.
Look.
Amber, let's go 3, 2, 1. Ay! Let's go 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1.
Uy.
Ay, 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 ay.
Talaba. Taba. Ansimila.
Talaga.
Why are you like a ball? You're like a ball.
Wala yung mabol.
You're not.
Parang wala ka na energy.
Tapos, yung gabon ko sa then, chicken salted fish.
Ang aming kalamig. Ang crave ko ay yung Amira, yung ensaymada, yung Hopian pizza. Dahil pa mga nakalista.
Oh, yung ganda ano to.
Wow. Nagpawisan ako sa kanya. Di ba malamig eh. Ay, higa natin. Lobat na ba? Aimer has so much energy. Oh, that's a karaoke. Look. We always do that when I was in college. I always go to that kind of... Yeah. There's Dua and Adin. It's easy. Doon kay Daddy. Ay, laki ng pusa, oh. This must be. There's Lola. Si Lola, yun mo si Lola. Lola! Love na love eh. Love love Lola eh.
Ayoko na mag-ano. Ayoko na mag-roller ko.
What's that?
There! Si Easy! Lisa, you go there! Smile! Smile! Say cheese! Say cheese! Isa dun! Say cheese! Palad ka rin sa Aimer.
Ano na yung saan?
Smile!
This is Aimer's music.
You go there! Kaya nga po eh, excited siya eh.
Ano, malalobat na 1%.
Eh, nakapicture din ako eh.
sali ka doon.
Aimer!
Not your photo. Ang kulit. Cargo yan, cargo. Hmm? Babay-bay siya sa lahat to. Ginilid ko siya kasi gusto niya makita yung gilid eh.
Chagit, 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 chagit. Chagit, chagit, chagit.
Bye-bye. Hello, tropang lola. Oh. Kasama si lola. Say bye-bye, Kuya Mark. Ay, Tito Mark. O, diba? Yan yung pakiramdam niya.
Maka na yan, mga tangat. Chigit, 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 chigit. Say, man.
Where are we going? Where are we going in there?
The boat? You really want the boat?
Let's see where's the boat. Oh, look, there's another pillar. There's another pillar.
Remember, look. Big caterpillar.
Jim is very big.
Come. Come, soon. Yan ay kita. Lumalabas na pala ito ngayon. The car. Oh God. There's sunshine. Saan? Ayun. Late naman yung towa eh. Pero doon sa malaki. Jiggy, 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 jiggy. Wala lang topping smoke sa Ooh. Violet arcade. What's that? Kaya ako pa ito ikot. Gusto ko manap ng magandang kape. Kasi yung Starbucks, grabe yung pila. Santa. Bibi.
Ang dami naman nun. Ang daming hi. Ayun, magandang picture doon. Ayun, no? Mas maganda doon. Hey ma! Go to the Christmas tree and say cheese!
Add me ulit, add me.
Pero hindi tumataba eh. Kita mo, wala siyang tigil. Kaya di siya tumataba talaga. Kahit boy kanin yan, wala. Ako nakakita ng donut. Lobat na yung cellphone. Ha? Yeah, hit the sound. Naipon yung energy. Natulog po kasi yan sa kotse sa biyahe. Pabalik.
Or just like 20 minutes.
Wala. Papayat ka po dyan. Papayat ka. Kaya po siya hindi rin nataba. Oo. Paano siya tataba?
Sa bilis ba?
Opo, maliksi masyado.
Si Masya. I bet.
Hold hands? Hold hands, Adjin? Hold Adjin. Ay, mapabili po. Ay, Marno. Naku, malis si tropa na init. Video na lang sa akin, video.
Hindi bakit daw pink yung kanya?
Si Aimer laging ano eh, out of the box mag-isip. Kala ko ba malamig? Pinawisan ako eh. Dating mga kotse.
Saan ka sakay?